Brandon!
What type of
Let's build a boat!
Okay. Are you gonna yell or are you gonna fuck?
Boat! Let's go to Red Robin.
I like Red Robin, you stupid cunt.
So what was your idea?
Build a boat.
We got burgers instead.
Alright, where's Lowe's? I swear to God, is the closest Lowe's the one right next to where we were 5 minutes ago before we came here?
We're building a boat. This stuff. It's gonna be great.
Tell me how you really feel.
Boat. We're gonna build a boat. We're gonna build a fucking boat. It's gonna be great. We got some spray paint because you gotta be safe. You gotta be safe. That's why it's high visibility. We got 6 buckets. We're gonna work. And duct tape. Also, Flex Seal. Flex Seal works on boats. It's by my buddy Phil Swift. It's gonna be great. We're gonna build a boat. Flex Seal.
Fucking Christ. What the fuck are you ringing the doorbell for? It's your fucking house.
I'm home.
Okay. Where did you go? Don't tell me you spent my paycheck on stupid shit again.
Yeah, boat. It's my money.
Boat? What the fuck do you mean,
Boat.
boat?
We're gonna build a boat. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Hey, lock the door. I don't want people getting in my house.
But nobody's in there.
All right, come on, get out of here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Grab a cold one here. See, you need a Coke when you're building a boat. Come on. Let's build my house.
You know, there's gotta be so many easier ways to... We could have just walked through the fucking house. Why did we leave? Just to come back in.
Can't be too careful now. I gotta keep the door shut. See? Just locking it. Trying to keep people from getting in. Now my ladder collection. They can't get into my house because I'm too short. Over here. My boat building workshop. Over here.
So...
Use the entrance, come on. Use the entrance. Use the entrance. You have a doorway for a reason. Hey, this is my boat building workshop. Here we got a boat.
You're fucking with me.
Boat.
We're gonna build a boat with this shit.
Yeah. Do you question my comedy?
You said that was the one you wore to the wedding.
I am a comedy genius. Do you question my comedy?
What the fuck are you doing?
Huh?
What the fuck are you doing? What's this?
I built a boat. Remember? There's a boat.
And...
A boat.
I just got no idea what to say, man.
Just giving it some fucking coloring. You gotta be able to see. It's high vis. It's for safety. So you can see where we're going.
Are you doing a night fly in the boat?
Yeah. No. It's a boat. It doesn't fly.
Well, are you going to be doing some night boating?
No, I'm gonna be, boat.
I swear to fucking God.
It's fine. I told you we're building a boat. Like, we built it together, just right there.
I got no idea what the fuck you're talking about,
No,
man.
you were there. You helped me build this.
I don't know. Seems pretty bullshit.
That's fine. You helped me build this. It's fine. So I built it. I built the boat. We're ready. You ready, Brendan? You ready for
Okay.
this? It's gonna be the best boat ever. I got my trusty oar. That's totally not. It's an oar. We got that oar. Holding it behind my back, like the cool people do, like in video games, you know.
Okay.
It'll. Right. Start the boat. That's my challenge to. No? See? I told you, it worked perfectly. And give me my tool. It's gonna work. It'll be fine. See? Like, look. It works. It works fine. I don't know what you're talking about. This is fine.
This is fine. I see no problem.
This is.
Yeah, try using the scoop side.
The what?
The scoop side. So, like, yeah.
Don't tell me how to boat. I know how to boat. My family's been boating in these parts for years, man. I'll see you. See you later. I'm gonna go get those. I'm picking so many chicks in this boat. You have no idea.
You're gonna get all sorts of fish puss.
It's fine. Like, look, see? It's perfect.
I'll give you this much. It's working. Oh no.
No, it's fine. Stop worrying. It's fine. It's just.
It's working better than I thought it would.
See, like this is just. I'm in a no wake zone right now. I can't go very fast. But it's fine. We're fine.
I think it's time to come back.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna do this. It's fine. It's floating, see?
Well, you got that right.
There's a bit of a design flaw here, whereas that was moving so fast, it just could not withstand the sheer G-forces of how fast we were going. And it's fine. It's fine. That was intentional. That was intentional. It's a reversible boat. It's a boat. It can reverse. It's fine. It's fine. See, look. No, look. It's part of the design. It becomes a smaller individual boat. It's fine. It's fine. See? I told you it'd work. So, yeah. Great, this works. Success.
Score.
gonna
Get the
sell
fuck
it
out of the
for
lake.
Millions of dollars. It'd be super successful. Like, millionaire, Elon Musk. Whoops, the boat.
But a boat instead of cars?
Yeah.